Hey Eco Tuesday fam, it's another Tuesday and today I'll be showing you how I'm gonna transplant these watermelons. I'm gonna keep it as short and spicy as possible. So this is the gutter that I'll be planting them in, and I've planted these melon seed in my compost because as I've said in previous videos, more than one of my videos, I do not have a very good soil. My land is sandy, so I have this compost that I have some topsoil in. So I put vegetable peelings, eggshells, the whole works of making a compost. So I plant these watermelon seeds in there because I think it will get more moisture. So these are the outcome of the watermelons, and I'll be transplanting them today. So this will be my second crop of watermelon. My first crop, I got probably about 8 to 10 watermelons from that. It was lovely. They were sweet, they were juicy, and I wanted to try it again. I could have gotten another crop off my first crop, but the plants, they were getting dried up and stuff like that, and I didn't have enough soil to keep them going as fresh as I wanted them to. So I rooted them up and I got rid of those. So this is my second batch, and hopefully I can get as much watermelon as I did last time. I also planted some yellow melon seed. I am not sure where they are. Hopefully one of these turns out to be yellow melon, because I've been trying to plant these melons for quite some time, but I haven't had any success with them germinating. So hopefully one of these is yellow melon. I have a few more videos coming up with other melons like cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. So I'll be doing a video. I've already planted the seeds. They're already up. It's just for me to transplant them. So you'll be seeing some of those videos in the future. And hopefully these melons that I'm planting here, hopefully they strive, because it's very hot now. So it's not gonna really strive very well. I'm gonna have to constantly water them, and that's a challenge for me because I can't water them every day. So hopefully they strive well. I'll try best as possible how I can keep them moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and follow my Eco Tuesdays. Every Tuesday I try and post a video. Bye!